Describe my approach to patient care with empathy and caring. I always want to make sure the patients are well cared for, they feel safe. With our specialty, that's very important. I really believe in the mission that St. Vincent has. Every place has ups and downs, but the one thing that has always stayed true is the care we give patients. I've looked at other places, and no other place compares as far as how we treat patients. A lot of education, a lot of coaching, a lot of it is, I always tell patients this is much more mental than it is anything else. It's really getting your head wrapped around it. I try to do it as kindly and slowly as possible, just so they're able to get through the process without being so overwhelmed. One of the most important things is for a patient to be kind to themselves during this process. There's a lot of self-blame, guilt, a lot of emotions are involved with this. So I try to really emphasize that in the beginning, that it really is most important that you don't blame yourself, that you don't get into that guilt and that self-blame because you can't move forward if you are feeling that way. So I try to make it a safe environment. That's key. They have to feel comfortable opening up. They have to feel vulnerable. I mean, they are very vulnerable during this process. Things that they may not have ever wanted to address or face, they now are having to. So, that really is most important to me, that they go through this not feeling, embarrassed or, ashamed or blaming themselves.